27 of what number is 6. So dito, itong word na of, palaging multiplication ang ibig sabihin. Itong word na is, palaging equal ang ibig sabihin yan. So dito, itong what number, so yan yung hinahanap natin. So ilalagay natin yan as n. So dito, 27 times n is equal to 6. So para maiba naman, itong n, yung ililipat natin on the other side of the equation. So magiging 27 is equal to 6 divide by n. So bakit naging divide? Kasi multiplication yung sign ng n dito. So nilipat natin on the other side of the equation. So napalitan, naging division. So dito, fraction is equal to fraction. So ibig sabihin, i-cross multiply na lang natin. So 2 times n is equal to 2n. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. So dito, divide natin both side by 2. So makakancel natin yung 2 dito. N na lang yung matitira. 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. So ito ngayon yung sagot natin.